with the value of a, given that you have 3 to the power of a times 3 to the power of a times 3 to the power of a equals 60. So from here, we have solution. 3 to the power of a is common. We can factor it out as 3 to the power of a. Then we add the power together as a will be plus a equals 60. So from here we have 3 to the power of a plus a is 2a plus a. This will give us 3a equals 60. So from here, we want to get this power down. Let's introduce log. Log 3 to the power of 3a equals log 60. Then when we have log p to the power of m equals m times log p, so we have 3a times log 3 equals log 60. So from here, let us divide through by the coefficients of 3a, which is log 3. So from here we have 3a equals log 60 over log 3. Then from here, when we have 60, we can divide it by, we can have 60 as the product of 3 times 20. So from here we have 3a equals log 3 times 20 over log 3. Then when we have log a times b equals log a plus log b, 3a will be equals log 3 plus log 20 over log 3. So when we have a parameter p plus m over n equals p over n plus m over n. So we have 3a log 3 over log 3 log 20 over log 3. We have 3a log 3 divided by log 3 will be 1 plus divided by log 3. So when we have log a over log b equals as log a in base b. So this implies we have 3a 1 plus log 20 in base 3. So dividing 2 by 3, this will cancel out this. We have a equals 1 plus log 20 in base 3 over 3. And this is the answer for the value of a. Mind you, we can also have this solution as 3a equals log 60 in base 3. So when we divide 2 by 3, this will cancel out this. We have a equals log 60 in base 3 over 3. So if you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos. Bye bye.